What you got there? You need this? Here we go.
Come on in. Welcome to our room.
Sweet. That's a nice size room.
Way bigger than it was. Oh, the last one.
Mm-hmm.
Bathroom's the same, but still.
Yeah, for the exciting part though. I'm not even gonna open the curtains. I'm gonna let you go ahead and open that one down there.
Okay. Looks like it's a little off track here.
Be all right.
Here's the door. For the deck. Yes, we did lots of time to see if we can pull that up.
Yeah, we'll take care of that. They did such a rush job, and they did a good job.
Just like that for now. Going out there?
Mm-hmm.
The rest of it.
No. I'll show that in a minute.
Come out to our extended balcony.
Do what? Good Lord. How you doing way down there? Nice. Wow. Way bigger than it looks on the video. All right, well, come on in. Let's show them the other cool part. What? Look at that. That's awesome. Room 6460 on the Carnival Breeze. A little bit of a hidden gem. It's listed as a regular balcony room, but is the L-shaped aft cabin with the extended balcony. Way bigger than you think. All right, tell everybody bye.